In this video, we briefly show you how to import a polar file into velahelm and then use it as an active polar. Polar files are managed using the dedicated Polar Manager. There, you can import, view and edit polars. The import process starts directly in the polar dialog via the plus icon in the top right-hand corner. In the import dialog, the polar is created with a name and inserted as a table. Velahelm expects a polar table, for example as a CSV file or as table content formatted accordingly. Once imported, the new polar curve will appear directly in the list. There, it can later be edited, deleted or previewed. To ensure that velahelm uses the imported polars for performance calculations, you must select local polar as the performance source and then set the desired polars as active polars. Once the imported polars have been set as the active local polars, velahelm can calculate the performance values based on it and display them in the relevant screens. The polars are now imported, activated and ready for use.